Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data science portfolio with GitHub, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining the focus of your data science portfolio. Identify the types of projects you want to showcase. Consider including a mix of analysis, machine learning, and data visualization projects. Next, create a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Once you've set up your account, familiarize yourself with GitHub basics. Understand how to create repositories to host your projects. Choose a project idea relevant to your skills and interests. Start by gathering the necessary datasets for your project. You can find datasets on platforms like Kaggle, UCI Machine Learning Repository, or government data websites. Begin your analysis by cleaning and preparing the data. Use libraries like Pandas and Python for effective data manipulation. Once your data is clean, explore it to find interesting insights. Generate visualizations using libraries such as Matplotlib or Seaborn. Document your findings to clearly convey your analysis. Next, implement any machine learning techniques relevant to your project. Libraries like scikit-learn can help with model building and evaluation. After completing your analysis, create a Jupyter notebook to present your work. Ensure each step in your notebook is well commented and explained. This will enhance the readability and understanding of your project. Once your notebook is ready, create a GitHub repository for your project. Include a clear and concise README file. Your README should explain the project's objective, methodology, and results. Add instructions on how to run your code and any dependencies needed. Consider including a section for future work or improvements. Once everything is set up, commit your changes and push them to GitHub. Make sure to use meaningful commit messages for clarity. Share your portfolio with potential employers or in your job applications. Finally, continuously update your portfolio as you complete new projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.